Our company is a Turkish defense company. It's a private defense company concentrated on the electronic subsystems, electronic systems, and the unmanned surface vehicles. The ULAQ is the first Turkish indigenous unmanned surface vehicle. So we started to develop this system in 2018, and in 2020 and 2021 we started to test our system on sail. And in 2021 we first made the missile shooting with the Turkish Navy. The ULAQ is a product family for the unmanned surface vehicles. We now announce our first new ULAQ system. It is the search and rescue system. It is 7.5 meters long. It can carry life crafts for the survivors. So one is for 25 people, one is for the 10 people. So it has also tethered drone on it. So you can surveillance around it from the higher. So you'll have a long line of sight with that capability. It has a microphone capability, so you can talk to the survivors or you can listen to them from your command and control system. And in this fair also we are representing the ULAQ family, the port security vessel, the big one. And this is the first prototype also we developed for the Turkish Navy. And also in here we have the anti-submarine warfare version. And we will deliver this system to Turkish Navy on November this year. And on the anti-submarine warfare system, it has its dipping sonar, it has its retractable sonar, anti-submarine rockets on it. It's also configurable, so you don't have to use it at that configuration all the time. You can change it. It's very easy and very fast. This is the Pelican missile seeker simulator. We developed this system for Turkish Navy, and they are using it since 2017. This system is to train the electronic warfare crew on board. So the idea is this system can generate missile seeker radar signals from 8 to 18 gigahertz. The crew can see the signals on their electronic support system and can do their reactions against it. So this system sits on the harbor or on the shore, and the ship under tests sail around it, like 7 nautical miles, 8 nautical miles distance maybe. So NATO is also using this system. Turkish Navy is bringing this system to NATO electronic warfare trials from 2017. So the other system is the MilSar. So MilSar is a radar, is a SAR radar, synthetic aperture radar, and the moving target indication radar for UAVs. So this one is like one single LRU. It's very light radar. It's 28 kilograms in total, and one unit only. So this unit. So this radar, as I said, this is the synthetic aperture radar mode and the moving target indication mode. You can install this one like smaller UAVs or bigger UAVs like Aksungur or Anka or TB2 Bayraktar. Also, this radar can be used on the helicopters or small planes, manned platforms also. So the main idea is to search big areas very fast. You can search like a 600 nautical miles square area with that radar in 1 hour. Turkish Navy is using it very actively. Especially this radar is used to detect the floating mines in the Black Sea, from the Ukraine and Russian conflict. So the Turkish Navy still using it to search the Black Sea for the floating mines. So the Meteksan Defense is also responsible for the sonar systems for the submarines. The sonar systems we develop for the submarine modernization or the new projects. So we have different sonar systems like the cylindrical array hydrophone systems, like the intercept passive sonar. So different kinds of sonar for the submarine modernizations, and now we are responsible for nowadays the Turkish Navy is modernizing its submarines now, and the Meteksan Defense is responsible for the sonar systems of this modernization. The last one is the NAZAR system, laser electronic attack system, electronic warfare system. So this system is against the electro-optic and IR guided seekers, anti-ship cruise missile or the other ground penetrating cruise missiles. So this system we built for the Turkish Navy. The first version we built, we already delivered it to Turkish Navy. They are using it to protect their naval bases against that kind of threats. And the second version now we started to produce for the Turkish Navy to put it on the surface combatants. This version has the 4 different wavelengths, like the visible, short wave infrared, mid wave infrared, and the long wave infrared. And this system works for the cat eye effect phenomenon. So this is like the cats. If you flash the cat's eyes with a flash, it reflects back if it look at you. So this is the same idea, works for it. So the system search for the air for an electro-optic or IR system if looking at you or not. And if it finds one and it tracks it, and after that automatically it start to jam it, dazzle it. So it's like blinding the seeker, so it cannot come to you. This is the main idea for the NAZAR. It took like 5 years for us. We started to do this project like in 2016, first version for the ground protection version, and now we started to work for the naval version of it. And I think in 2 years we will deliver it to Turkish Navy on one of its surface combatants.
More places for our crew, reaching a maximum number of people on board of 180 people on board. The other one is being configured for electrical purposes that allow us to give electricity to a community of 6,000 people in case of an emergency. And the last one can be configured for staff at sea. You can understand easily how it's possible to do a lot of purposes. That's the reason because we call multi-purpose a shore vessel. That you can see in that ship the highest level of the Italian technology working in a naval context, of course. And we are the only navy in the world to have naval cockpit that allow only 2 operators, pilot and co-pilot, to manage all the aspects concerning with navigational, use of sensors and weapons for self-defense. Welcome aboard of the cockpit. The pilot is responsible for navigation heights, avoid any kind of collision, and is responsible also for manage all kind of propulsion. As the commanding officer said before, this kind of ship can manage different aspects of propulsion: gas turbine, diesel engines, and electrical engine. And using a multi-clutch with high technology, this clutch can combine different aspects of our engines that allow to reach 26 different assets of propulsion, using, for example, only 1 electrical engines, 2 electrical engines, 1 electrical engines, and other diesel engine. And all the degraded configuration allow the ship to continue its mission.